In this video, we will cover using the handheld heat sealer for patching rips, tears, cuts, and holes in vinyl fabrics. The handheld heat sealer is used with a silicone pressure roller to seal patches onto vinyl and tarp material. The on-off toggle switch is located on the back of the heat sealer. Switch it on to begin blowing air. Next to the on-off switch is the heat indicator knob. Heat can be set from 0 to 10. For vinyl fabrics and tarps, it is recommended to set the heat sealer to 4. It will take a few minutes for the sealer to heat up to the desired level. Make sure that your work area is clean and free of debris. Only use the handheld heat sealer on flat surfaces free of temperature-sensitive materials. Position your patch over the material to be mended. Most vinyl has a dull side and shiny side. Make sure that the exposed side of the patch matches that of the material. Be sure that the patch has rounded edges and extends at least 1 inch past the edge of the tear or hole. Place the roller on the center of the patch and slide the nozzle of the heat sealer under the edge of the patch to meet the edge of the roller. Slowly slide the nozzle and roller toward the edge of the patch, keeping even and steady pressure on the roller. Try not to stop moving the nozzle of the heat sealer at any time, as this may burn the material. Repeat until all edges of the patch are adhered to your material. Working from the center of the patch out reduces the chance of creating folds and pleats in your patch. Do not apply heat to the top of the patch. This will not create a seal. Heating the top of your patch increases the chance of thinning your patch material and weakening your repair. For lighter materials, you may need to move the nozzle and roller faster to keep from damaging the material. Always test your seal to ensure that it has been sufficiently bonded. Repeat with all areas of the patch that are not sealed down. If the other side of the material is accessible, a second patch can be added for further strengthening. Remember to have the exposed side of the patch match the exposed side of the material you are repairing for a consistent look. When you are finished using the handheld heat sealer, turn the heat indicator knob to 0 and allow time for air to cycle through the sealer. Once the air coming out of the sealer is cool, the sealer can be turned off. For more information or to order online, visit gettent.com.